A reliable survival kit is essential for emergencies, packed with tools to keep you safe and prepared in any situation. Equipped with first aid supplies, fire starters, multi-tools, and emergency food, it ensures readiness for the unexpected. Compact and durable, it's perfect for outdoor adventures or disaster preparedness. Stay protected with essential gear designed for survival in any environment. In this video, we recommend the 7 best survival kits, based on quality, durability, price, and more. Check the description for purchase links to easily find the right choice for you. Number 7. VEITORLD Survival Kits. The VEITORLD 12-in-1 survival gear is the ultimate gift for outdoor enthusiasts, packed with essential tools for any adventure. Featuring a wire saw, emergency blanket, flint stone scraper, flashlight, and a multi-use spoon fork, this kit ensures you're always prepared. Its compact waterproof box keeps everything secure, making it perfect for camping, hiking, hunting, and fishing. Designed for men, dads, husbands, and even teen scouts, it's an excellent Father's Day, birthday, or anniversary gift. Lightweight yet durable, this survival kit is a must-have for anyone who loves the outdoors or emergency preparedness. With a water bottle clip and credit card tool included, it offers both practicality and convenience. VEITORLD prioritizes customer satisfaction, ensuring quality and reliability in every kit. Number 6. Verifygear Survival Kits. The Verifygear 17-in-1 Survival Kit is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts, packed with essential tools for any adventure. It includes a waterproof box, tungsten fountain pen, compass, flashlight, knives, and a water bottle clip, ensuring you're always prepared. With a 5-in-1 survival rope bracelet, fire starter, wire saw, and first aid blanket, this kit is designed for emergencies. Made with high-quality materials, it's built to withstand harsh conditions, offering reliability in any situation. Lightweight and portable, it fits easily into a backpack, car, or pocket, making it convenient for travel. Ideal for camping, fishing, hiking, and wilderness survival, it's a practical tool set for any adventurer. A multifunctional spork, screwdrivers, and survival card add extra functionality to this all-in-one kit. Number 5. LUXMOM Survival Kit. The LUXMOM 28-in-1 Survival Kit is a complete emergency solution designed by survival experts for ultimate protection. With 21 multipurpose survival tools, a 106-piece first aid kit, and a fishing tools set, it ensures you're ready for any situation. It includes a hatchet, folding shovel, fire-starting tools, wire saw, tactical flashlight, survival bracelet, and emergency blanket. The comprehensive first aid kit allows wounds to be treated quickly, preventing infections during outdoor adventures. Compact and lightweight, all 142 pieces fit neatly in a durable 600D nylon bag with mall-compatible straps. Perfect for camping, hiking, fishing, boating, or car travel, it's a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency responders. Designed for military personnel, police, firefighters, and adventurers, it offers reliable tools for survival. Number 4. XKASE Survival Kit. The XKASE 19-in-1 Survival Kit is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts, packed with essential tools for any adventure. It includes a 5-in-1 parachute cord bracelet, built-in compass, whistle, and a thermal blanket for warmth and protection. Designed for multiple survival scenarios, this kit ensures safety during hiking, camping, fishing, and hunting trips. Compact and lightweight, the waterproof and shockproof box measures 8.2 by 5.1 by 2.7 inches for easy portability. Perfect for car storage, hiking backpacks, or camping gear. It provides quick access to emergency tools. Made for adventurers, it offers practicality and peace of mind in unpredictable situations. An excellent gift for fathers, husbands, boyfriends, or scouts, it's ideal for birthdays, Christmas, and special occasions. Number 3. VEITORLD Survival Kits. The BHYTAKI 37-in-1 Survival Kit is a complete outdoor gear set designed for safety and convenience. Packed with essential tools, it includes a survival bracelet, tactical pen, compass, flashlight, whistle, flint and steel, and a fishing line. Perfect for camping, hiking, fishing, and exploring, this kit ensures you're always prepared for any adventure. Made from military-grade ABS material, the waterproof and compact storage box is lightweight and highly durable. Measuring 8.2 by 5 by 2.4 inches and weighing only 1.7 pounds, it fits easily in backpacks, car trunks, and drawers. Ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, it also helps children develop essential survival skills. This kit makes an excellent gift for dads, husbands, boyfriends, or anyone who loves the outdoors. BHYTAKI offers quality assurance, ensuring this survival kit is a reliable and thoughtful choice for any emergency situation. Number 2. Abpir Survival Kits. The Abpir 170 PCS Survival Kit is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness. It includes 170 essential survival tools and first aid supplies, perfect for camping, hiking, and road trips. Packed with a survival bracelet, hatchet, wire saw, emergency blanket, and fishing tools, it covers multiple survival needs. The trauma kit contains 120 first aid supplies, ensuring wounds are treated promptly to prevent infections. Its durable 1000D nylon maul pouch is waterproof, lightweight, and designed for easy organization and portability. A thoughtful gift for adventurers, this kit ensures safety and preparedness in any situation. Number 1. LUXMOM Survival Kit. The LUXMOM Survival Kit is an essential companion for outdoor adventures and emergencies. It includes 142 pieces, featuring 21 survival tools, 106 first aid supplies, and fishing gear for comprehensive protection. Key items like a hatchet, folding shovel, tactical flashlight, and fire-starting tools ensure preparedness in any situation. The compact 600D nylon bag is lightweight, durable, and maul-compatible for easy attachment to bags or belts. Ideal for camping, hiking, and emergency preparedness, it makes a thoughtful gift for outdoor enthusiasts. Stay safe and ready for any challenge with this all-in-one survival and first aid kit. We can't mention the price because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.